This quick tip shows how linking new words to tiny sound chunks can lock them into long-term memory across languages. Start by choosing 3 related sounds from your target language and attach a vivid image to each new word. For example, in Spanish you can pair gracias with a crown and a parade, emphasizing the soft R and crisp S. In Japanese, you might connect Chinese letter shin with a calm heart image, repeating arigato gozaimasu slowly to reinforce rhythm. Repeat daily in short 2-minute sessions and test recall with tiny conversations, celebrating every small victory.